Hello friends, welcome to Thrifty Thursday. This is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I'm here to share with you my thrifty finds from the last week, and also I'll let you know that I'm the host of Thrifty Thursday, and if you'd like to participate, just let me know and I'll add you to my list. And also subscribe to my channel and link my channel, and I'll link your channel. So this week's featured channels are, let's see, Jennifer's Crafts and Hauls, Chatty Lane Creates, Jennifer Dirtle Art, LV Crafts, and Maria's Miscellany. So they will be linked in my description box, and just go over and tell them I sent you and give them some thrifty love and subscribe to their channels. So this week I just found a few things here. A little bag of yarn with this pretty colors inspired me. I don't usually buy yarn, but these colors inspired me, maybe to make a tassel and use those for some tassel toppers. I thought that would be fun. I found a little butterfly button. It's just one little button on a card, so I thought that was cute. Some tickets that I think maybe are from an arcade, you know, where you win tickets, and somebody did not use their tickets, so why not use them in my journals, right? And then I found the rest of these some of these came from a game, like the bingo cards here, and these are all laminated, so I think they could still be used as, you know, pockets and things in journals. And then I found all these game pieces that I'll be adding to my listing of game pieces in my shop, and these are Candyland game cards, and I'll also be you know, making a bundle for Saturday, for my Saturday Thrifty Thursday bundles that I haven't been putting in my shop. So some, you know, some of these goodies will be put in those bundles. I have a little pad of paper here from a win, lose, or draw game, and I thought that would be fun to, you know, add to pockets like stationery in a junk journal. Some cute little Halloween bags, treat bag or gift bags really. Popcorn boxes. I've never found those before. Never used, of course, and I thought they could be fun. You can make tags or even journal covers. And then a few linens here. A plastic doily, a regular vintage doily, and a couple of these. I have two of these little rectangles. They are kind of like eyelet look. Where's the other one? There's another one here somewhere. And then this scarf, I like the little trim here, if you can see that. And a lot of these can be coffee dyed too. If I do make a little linen bundle, if you want to coffee dye any of these lighter ones, that would be fun. And you know how we like to have our vintage and grungy looking things. Oh, here's the other one. I think, was this the other one? I'm not sure. Anyway, pretty. Oh, this is the one I have two of. Yeah. Sorry, it wasn't the other one. This one I have two of these little rectangles here. Here's the second one. And then here's a pretty like oval doily. These have flowers there. I thought that one, I think they're all pretty, right? This one has a little something pink on it right here. I haven't washed any of these, and I might not before I make a bundle, or I might, I don't know. I might wash something like this one here. I could rinse out and see if that comes out. Anyway, this is a runner here, a pretty runner. Yeah, so nice, right? Coffee dye material there. Some Aida cloth, you know, like you use for cross stitching, just a little piece of that. I'll probably keep that and coffee dye that myself. I like to use this for backgrounds on so many different things. And a lace tablecloth, a vintage one. So awesome, right? Just a few things this week to share with you. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll check out all the participants. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned for Saturday. Happy thrifting.